Right, today we're going to look at applying ellipses to cylindrical objects. So we're just going to have a look at the idea of placing different cylindrical objects onto a cylinder. So first of all, 3 axes of space, and what I do again is I'm going to draw a cylinder up here. So remember the technique of just ghosting your cylinder. Here's the first ellipse, I should say, not cylinder. Bringing the lines down vertically and ghosting my next ellipse. Now what I want to do is work out where on the surface that my pipes that I want to come out of the surface, where that's going to occur. So I've got to, again, if there's my central axis, the centre of the axis, ghost very, very lightly the ellipse that's going to form. So now, remembering what I told you about short axes for ellipses, if there is my ellipse, that is the short axis. In this case, we have 3 axes, so the ellipses can only occur on one of those 3 axes. So in this case, we've got 4 axes, 1, 2, 3, 4 points. So same sort of thing. There is my axis line, so just draw it over here. So the ellipse, therefore, must look like that through the short axis. So here's the axis line, and here's where the centre of my ellipse is. So there's the centre. So therefore, that's how my ellipse is going to look. So I'll just ghost the ellipse. So same thing this way, same thing that way, same thing that way. So there's my short axis for each ellipse. It's a bit crappy. Now what we do is extend using our axis line to define the centre of my pipe, or the extent of it. In this case, I want to show the pipes coming out evenly. So what I'm going to do is, if there's the centre of my ellipse, I'm going to give a boundary for where the pipes are. So there's my boundary there. So all relative to centre. I'll just give that another go. That's a bit better. So next ellipse, there. And now I'm going to extend the lines. So what we have there is the pipes coming out of the surface. Now it looks a bit rough at the moment, so what we've got to do is tidy it up and emphasise what you can and can't see. So in this case I'm going to use a ruler just to sharpen things up. So this line here, I can see an ellipse, that line there, and an ellipse. The outside of it. These ones here you can't see, so you can only see this component, and I can't see the inside of that pipe, it's the other side of it. And the same thing here. I'll just sharpen this up. So now we still show all the construction, but the idea is that you can see things a lot clearer when you include everything that you can't see as well. Obviously doing this in pencil might be a little bit easier, but then we can start to do things like adding thickness to our material. Same thing here, same thing there, can't see it, and we could also put a little bit of black in there to suggest that it's got a shadow in it. Same thing here, just to give it a little bit of depth. Sharpen this one up. So very, very rough, but very, very clearly we can see this object now as a cylindrical shape that has pipes coming out of it.